In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I use Snagit for YouTube videos. The process starts inside TechSmith Snagit on your computer. Once you have Snagit open, click the capture button and make sure you switch to video mode. This is important because Snagit can capture both images and video, so you want to confirm you're set up for recording before you begin. Next, choose the area of your screen that you want to record. You can capture the full screen or just a specific section, depending on what kind of tutorial or presentation you're making. If you only need to show one app or one part of your desktop, selecting a smaller area can help keep the recording focused and easier for viewers to follow. Before you start recording, turn on your microphone if you want to include voice narration. You can also enable your webcam if you'd like your face to appear in the video. That part is optional, but it can add a more personal feel if you're creating content for YouTube and want viewers to connect with you more directly. When everything looks ready, click record and begin creating your tutorial, presentation, or screen recording. As you record, try to move through your steps clearly and at a steady pace so the final video is easy to understand. Once you're done, click stop to end the recording. After that, Snagit will open your video in Snagit Editor. This is where you can make simple edits, such as trimming off mistakes at the beginning or end, removing pauses, or cleaning up anything unnecessary. Even a quick trim can make your video feel much more polished. When your recording looks the way you want, save it as an MP4 file. To do that, go to File, then Save As, and choose MP4 as the format. Exporting to MP4 is useful because it's a standard video format and works well for YouTube uploads. Once your video file is ready, go to YouTube and sign into your account. From there, click the Create button, which looks like a camera with a plus sign, and select Upload Video, then choose the MP4 file you exported from Snagit. As the upload begins, fill in your video details, including the title, description, thumbnail, and any other information you want to include. Take a moment here, because clear details can help